Good morning children. Welcome to the session of mathematics. I am Daisy. Now I am dealing with the 8th standard first chapter. Let us discuss the topic. Before starting the lesson, we can recall some points that we studied in lower classes. That is geometry. We are going to study geometry. That the basic points we can discuss. First, we started with a point, then group of points together. That is, we are putting group of points together. Then, what's the name of this one? This is a line. Then, next is two lines are joining together, intersecting at a point O. Then we will get an angle. Then next is just we are closing this figure with the third side. Now we got a closed figure and this closed figure is triangle. See children, already we know what are the different types of triangles. Now we can once again discuss what are the different types of triangle. See, look at the board. There is a triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, all the sides are 6 centimeter and all the angles are 60 degree. Then tell me children, what is the name of this triangle? What is the name of this triangle? Yes, this is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. See, in a triangle, if all the sides and angles are equal, then it is called equilateral triangle. That is the first type of triangle. It is based on sides. We are calling it as equilateral triangle. And the next one is, see the picture. What is given in the board? A triangle ABC again, but here two sides are 7 centimeter each, and see below two angles are also same. Then tell me, what is the name of this triangle? What is the name of this triangle? This is isosceles triangle. See, isosceles triangle. In a triangle, if two sides and two angles are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Then we can move to the next one. Next one, the same figure is there, but here in this triangle all the sides are different. It means 6 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 4 centimeter. What is the name of this triangle? Tell me, what is the name of this triangle? Third type of triangle based on sides. What is the name of this triangle? Yes, it is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. In a triangle, if all the sides and angles are different, then it is called scalene triangle. This is the three types of triangles based on their sides. Next we can move to triangles based on angles. That also you may remember. What are the different types of triangles based on angles? Yes, look at the board. First triangle. A triangle with one angle is 90 degree. What is called? It is right triangle. Then next is one angle is 120 degree. That is more than 90 degree. What it is called? It is obtuse triangle. And the third one is angle is less than 90. Then it is acute triangle. That is different types of triangle we studied, and we recall that different types of triangle. Okay children, next I have some pictures with me, and before that we can discuss one more thing. In 7th standard we studied how can we construct a triangle. What are the different measurements we needed to construct a triangles. For the first one is if all three sides are given, we can construct a triangle. If all three sides are given, we can construct a triangle. Three sides. Suppose example sides of triangle, sides are 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. The sides of a triangle are 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 5 centimeter. In how many different ways we can draw this triangle? I am not taking the exact measurement, just example I am discussing. Therefore, listen here children. First one is we can take 7 centimeter as base and this 6 centimeter as a side and 5 centimeter as right side. 7 bottom, 6 left side and 5 right side. Second way, 6 is base, then 7 is left side and 5 centimeter on right side. And the third type is we can take 5 centimeter as a bottom side and the left side is 5 centimeter and the right side is 7 centimeter. Three different ways we draw the triangle. In each case 7, 6, 5 came as bottom side. And next it's finished. Any more? Okay, let us check fourth. Next again 6 came only once in a left side. Now we can again 7 centimeter, then again once again here 5 centimeter, here 6 centimeter. See 7, 5, 6 and the next one is 6, 5, 7. Next one is 5, 7, 6. That means 6 different ways we can draw triangles by using the same measurement. Children, listen here. 6 different ways we can draw the triangle with the same measurement. Do you understand? Then what is the speciality of these triangles? These all triangles are yes, equal because sides are same. That means we are going to discuss about equal triangles. Okay children, I have two papers with me. One is rose color, another one is a white one. See the shape. You know what is the shape of this paper. What is the shape of this paper? It is a rectangle. Okay, it is a rectangle. Then my question is this both the rectangle papers are equal or not? Is it equal? Then how can we check is it equal or not? If we keep one paper over the another one, we can see that these two papers are not equal, but shape is same. And the next one, I am going to take the another paper, the same. Then again the same question, is these two papers are equal or not? Then the same way we can keep one over another. See, we can see that these two papers are equal. That means these two rectangles are equal rectangles. Then I am keeping the rectangle here and I am taking two triangles because we are discussing about the triangles. Therefore, I have two triangles with me. Then I want to check is these two triangles are equal or not. The same way we can keep the side together, one side together, then see both the triangles are not equal. Then I am changing the side. See, again not equal, and I am changing the third side also. Then also we can see that these two triangles are not equal because the white one is bigger one. And again one more triangle is with me. This is a triangle, and again I am checking is these two triangles are equal or not. For that, keeping the side together, but see, we can see that these two triangles are not equal. Then again I am changing the side, second side. Then also these two triangles are not equal. And the third side, yes, I am keeping the third side. Now you can see that only single triangle you can see. That means these two triangles are equal. I kept the side together. Now let us check about the angles. See children, angles are also equal. Yes, for discussing this one, I have two triangles here. See, two triangles are here on the board. Look at the board children. Then triangle ABC with the side 6, 7 and 5 centimeter. Angles are 55, 50 and 75. And one more triangle is there, PQR, the same sides 7, 6 and 5. Here the longest side is, which is the longest side here, 7 centimeter AB. AB is the longest side, 7 centimeter. Then opposite angle is, what is the opposite angle of 7 centimeter? Is 75. Opposite angle is 75 degree. This is in triangle ABC. And in triangle PQR, see children, PQ is equal to 7 centimeter and opposite angle is 75 degree. You can see now. Then next, smallest side we can take. Smallest side is AC. AC is equal to 5 centimeter. What is the opposite angle children? 50 degree. Opposite angle is 50 degree. In this triangle also, PR is the smallest side. Opposite angle is 50 degree. And one more, the middle side is there. The measurement middle, that is BC, equal to 6 centimeter. Opposite angle of this side is 55 degree. 55 degree. Here also the medium side is QR, 6 centimeter, and opposite angle is 55 degree. In both the cases, you can see that in the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. When if all the three sides are equal. That means we got a point from this. If all three sides of a triangle are equal, then angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. From this figure, look at the board again. From this figure you will get the idea. Sides of the both the triangles are equal and angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. Any doubt in this? It is very clear. We wrote all the details here. It is very clear to you. This is the important point you want to remember about the equal triangles. That is, if the sides of a triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, then the angles opposite to the equal sides of these triangles are also equal. This we want to remember. This is the point we got about equal triangles. Okay. Then now let us check how much you understood the point about equal triangles. Okay. For that, we have two triangles. First triangle ABC with the sides 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter, and one more triangle, triangle PQR, triangle PQR with the 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Now we want to find equal angles, that is find angles equal to, first one angle A, second one angle B and the third one angle C. For that, see children, first we can take the side 8 centimeter. Which is the angle opposite to 8 centimeter? That is C. Here, see children, we can take the side 8 centimeter. Which is the angle opposite to 8 centimeter? That is angle P. That is angle C is equal to angle P, opposite to 8 centimeter. Next we can come to 6 centimeter. Which is the angle opposite to 6 centimeter? That is angle A. And here which is the angle opposite to 6 centimeter? That is angle R. That means angle A is equal to angle R. Next third side 5 centimeter. Angle opposite to 5 centimeter is angle B. Here angle opposite to 5 centimeter angle Q. That means angle B is equal to angle Q. That means we find out the angle opposite to equal sides. That means angle, these are two equal triangles ABC and PQR, sides are given, then angle also we find out. Okay. Then once again, this is the first property of equal triangles. If three sides of a triangle is equal to three sides of another triangle, then angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Now we can wind up the class. Thank you children.